If you are looking for more ways to make your Flodesk emails stand out, you're going to love this Canva tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to utilize some of Canva's AI features to create your own GIFs. Without further ado, let's hop in. So the first thing I would recommend for this trick is for you to download the Dropbox app on your cell phone. When you shoot your clips that you're going to use for the GIFs, that's a very simple way for you to get them on your computer. So I'm going to create a folder and we're going to call this GIFs Flodesk. Oop, not Glowdesk. Flodesk. And we're going to hit done, create that folder. And then I'm going to upload the 3 clips that I recorded on my cell phone. Now I'm just utilizing 5G on my phone, super quick, and those short clips uploaded. You don't need super long clips to do this. So once you have those clips uploaded, what you're going to do is you're going to hop over to Dropbox on your computer and download the file. So we're going to do a vertical and a horizontal GIF. All right, so we've got those 2 downloaded. And so what I want to do now is we're going to hop into Canva. So we're going to utilize 2 different templates to do this. I want to start with a horizontal one. So we'll just say YouTube thumbnail for that. And for the other, we'll just do an Instagram story. Now, once you have the clips downloaded to your computer, all you need to do is click on uploads, click on videos, and that's where your clips are going to appear. So we're going to go ahead and select those clips and upload them to Canva. So this one here, you will see is just me doing something silly. All right, so this clip is entirely too long to be a GIF because you're seeing me start and stop it. So the first thing we want to do is to edit. So you need like a few seconds before, so you can see the face change. So we'll do here, and that's all we need. Hand there, love it. Okay, that's great, fantastic. It's giving GIF. All right, so it looks a little blown out, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna click on edit video and hit adjust. I probably just needed to clean my lens. You definitely should clean your lens before you film content. These little lens wipes are amazing. I'll link them in the description. So let's go ahead and adjust this video first. So we're gonna play around with some contrast here to try to bring some of this back. I think some shadows would help. And lowering some highlights could be good. And maybe a little saturation. Lower the brightness a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's a lot better. And yeah, we'll take away some of this warmth. And you can see how easy it is to play around with this. So with this particular one, I'm leaving the background. And so what I want to do here is kind of drag it here. And once we have that, we're going to add some text. And you can honestly do whatever text you want. This one's going to be like Canva, AI be like, I don't know, that can give me something to talk about. So we're going to use that text. We can say here, instead of Canva AI, we can say Canva magic be like. Love that. Okay. And what we're going to do too is we're going to add, I think it'd be good to add something to the text so it's not so plain. So let's just add a shadow here and we can reduce some of that and change the text to white. Okay. So the clip looks like this. Canva magic be like. A lot of GIFs repeat. So to create that effect, we need to go up to the top, click on share, download. Instead of MP4, which is cute, but that's not going to play in an email, we're going to click on GIF underneath it. Now, here's the thing. You can drag it to increase the size, but in Flodesk, what I've noticed is smaller is better. So we're going to drag it down actually. So we're going to down res the GIF, and then we're going to click on download. So once it downloads, you will be able to see the finished product. If you don't know, Flodesk is the email marketing software that I utilize in my business. So if you don't have an email marketing software, then I would highly suggest you check it out. Okay, so here's just a blank email here. And so what I'm going to do is click on the plus sign here, and I'm going to add the image, which isn't that intuitive because you would think, oh, if I want it to move, it's a video. Nope, it's a GIF. All right, so now that it's saved, we're gonna save it to the desktop so we can find it easily. And you can see here, use high quality JPEG, PNGs, or GIFs under 2000 pixels in each dimension. So that's why it's better for you to drag it and down res it so that it's not too large to upload into Flodesk to play. So we're gonna upload that image, and then we have Canva magic be like, and boom, all of a sudden, we have some fun. So another thing that you could create in Canva, we'll go back to the vertical version and we'll refresh so that you can see the vertical video that we uploaded from Dropbox. And in this case, you know, we got a little jig happening. Once I adjust my hair, very nice. So what we want to do for this is trim it. We don't need the hair flip. Okay, we can start there. And we can give them some shoulder action. Okay, great. Now you can see here, I have words on my t-shirt. So do yourself a favor and flip your video. Okay, you can mirror your video. And what I want to do in this case is, again, we want to do a quick edit. I can also just apply a filter. So if any of these filters, solar is looking pretty good. So that'll give me a good place to start. And then I can adjust just a little bit more to help me to stand out. And you'll see what I mean. I'm not super concerned about the blowout in this one because we're actually going to use video background remover. So in this case, I'm going to click on it. And then what I want to do is click on edit video, effects, and background remover. So just like photo background remover, what Canva is going to do is scan this clip and attempt to cut me out from the video background. Now, it may take a little while because it is a larger file than a photo. So it says here, it's in progress. This may take some time. Just know this particular feature does take a while depending on how long the clip is, but it is fairly effective. So what we're gonna do is fast forward and I'll show you what it creates. So we have the background completely removed and you can see it here. The only thing I wanna do is trim off a little bit from the beginning. You're kind of seeing me start it up. There you go. So now we're just gonna name this and we'll say Canva Magic Dance. We're going to download as a GIF. And so when you put this inside of Flodesk, it's not technically going to be transparent, but it doesn't show what you're seeing behind me in my office. And so that's just another thing that you can do. You can also utilize these in an Instagram story. And so you can easily have GIFs of yourself. And so what we'll do here is we'll allow this to download and then I'll show you what it looks like inside of an email. My. What a festive email. Isn't that fun? So since the background is out, it looks like I'm dancing in the email. I might use that next year. So there you go. Have fun. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how you can make custom GIFs utilizing video clips from your cell phone inside of Canva. If you want to try Flodesk free for 30 days, you can always click on my link in the description. And if you need access to Canva Pro free for 45 days, just check out lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Until next time, ta-ta for now.